In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an Excel chart into Word using Paste Special. If you've ever needed to bring a polished Excel chart into a Word document without losing its quality or the ability to work with it like an Excel item, this method is the reliable way to do it. We'll embed the chart as a Microsoft Excel chart object so it looks crisp, stays true to your Excel formatting, and maintains Excel's underlying structure inside Word. Start in Excel with the chart you want to use. Click once to select the chart so you see its border and handles, confirming the chart itself is active and not just a cell nearby. Copy it using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or by right-clicking the chart and choosing Copy. Copying the entire chart, not just the cells, ensures you bring over the full visual and its formatting. Now switch to your Word document and place the cursor exactly where you want the chart to appear. Positioning the insertion point first helps Word place the chart correctly within your text flow, whether that's in a new paragraph, beneath a heading, or aligned with a caption you've already prepared. At the top of Word, go to the Home tab. Open the Paste drop-down and choose Paste Special. This is the key step that distinguishes an embedded Excel object from a basic image or a formatted text paste. Paste Special gives you control over how the content is brought into Word. In the Paste Special dialog that appears, select Microsoft Excel Chart Object. This tells Word to embed the chart as an Excel object rather than flattening it into a picture. Embedding in this way preserves the chart's vector quality and most Excel-driven behaviors and formatting. Click OK, and Word will insert the chart right where your cursor was placed. You'll see the chart appear with the same look, colors, labels, and layout you had in Excel. Because it's embedded as an Excel object, it remains a self-contained copy inside the Word file, independent of the original workbook. That means the chart won't break if the source file moves, and it continues to look sharp at different zoom levels or when printed. A few quick notes to keep in mind. This approach is great when you need high fidelity and Excel-like handling inside Word. It typically results in a slightly larger Word document than pasting as a simple picture, which is normal for embedded objects. If consistency and clarity matter, such as reports, proposals, or documentation, this is the professional, dependable choice. And that's it. You've copied your chart in Excel, placed your cursor in Word, used Paste Special, chosen Microsoft Excel Chart Object, and confirmed with OK for a clean, embedded result.